Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to tie another bridal gele style. So watch carefully. As you can see by the intro, you already know what we are tying. You're going to make 8 pleats and place in front of your head. That's for our round base. The measurement for this gele is 50-50 and the length that we are making use of is 75. When you place in front of your head, you cross at the back and bring forward. You make 8 pleats on this flap and repeat the same process on the other flap. When you're pinning this one down to the base, you take 2 pleats and pin to the base while you tell your assistant to hold the remaining ones. But if you're making use of a mannequin head, you can just pin it the way I did. After that, you proceed to the other flap and repeat the same thing. Please guys, ensure that your pleats are equal. It shouldn't be very tiny. You're going to see one issue that I'm going to have as we are going further. So ensure that your pleats are equal, normal sized. When we are done with that, we go ahead to make our pleats. You can go from top to bottom or bottom to top, depending on however you want it. When you're done picking and arranging your pleats, then you proceed to start making your ruffles. I won't talk much again, so just watch carefully. And before I forget, please note that bridal gele style, the price is different from ashrabi gele style, just so you know. And in the bridal gele style also, there are different prices because everything depends on the time that the particular style consumes. So ensure that you know all of this before you give your price. You understand? If you want me to give you a full video on what or things you need to know or things you need to do as a gele stylist, please let me know in the comment section. Always ensure that the number of pleats on a particular flap is equal to the number of pleats on the other flap. As you can see, we are done with both flaps. Now we go ahead to start making our ruffles. I'm pretty sure by now you all know how to make Ruffles Gele. If you don't, you need to go to my previous videos. But before we do that, you take 3 pleats, as you can see, pin it. Why we are making do with this is because when we are taking the ruffles, we don't want to finish everything. We want that 3 to, be like a capsule, covering the ruffle kind of. Just watch and see what I'm talking about. When you're done taking your 3 pleats and pinning it, you repeat the same process on the other flap too. This gele is very easy to do, but what's going to take so much of your time is these ruffles, because when you're done making it, you have to ensure that your finishing touch is top notch. Now take note, it's not because I pinned the other side to the base you will do the same. No, if you're making use of a mannequin head, that's when you can do it like that. If not, once you're done making the ruffles on that particular flap, you give it to someone to hold for you so that it doesn't scatter, you get. Then you proceed to this other one and do the same thing. Now when you're done, you join both together, so watch carefully. Can you see how that side is giving us problem? That place that we pleated, that's because we took tiny pleats. This is our gele. We are done pinning both together. Then you see that open space, you pin it together also. Then you go ahead to cover the back properly. Please, when you're pinning the excess from the ruffles, ensure that you pin it to the ruffles itself so that it's going to stay, so that it's going to stand. Then proceed to cover the back. That's your the one that you're going to use to cover the hair, or you open it. For today I decided to leave the gele open, so just watch and see how I do it. Please guys, if you have watched up to this extent, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos guys. Yes, so this is our finished look. So beautiful. Bye guys.